Hi scholars, it's Ms. Davis again, here to talk to you about our focus for today and just go over some expectations for how to annotate, since we'll be doing things a little bit differently today than we have in the past. Over the last week, you've read 5 different, in my opinion, incredible poems and had a chance to analyze them using poetic devices. And before we move into our next batch of incredible poetry, we're going to actually hit the pause button and take a second to read to learn instead of read to analyze. You'll notice in your classwork today, and I've got it here as well, that you're going to actually be reading a nonfiction article called How to Read a Poem Part 1. And this article gives you a real sense of different ways that reading poetry is different from reading a novel or a short story, and the different techniques you can use to make it easier on you and more fulfilling in the long run. So what you'll notice is that the article today is chunked with stop and jots. You may notice these as being familiar from when we were together in the building. And what you'll do is read each section, annotate with your genre-based thinking jobs, which in nonfiction are topic, what is it teaching you about the topic of how to read a poem, and point of view, anytime you notice an opinion from the author. And you'll do that the same way as we were doing, that is highlighting, underlining, and then commenting. Ms. McGee and I will be looking for 1 or more annotations in each section of the text. And then there's these TDQ or stop and jot questions to help you make the most meaning possible of this. And we expect that you answer these in complete sentences just by typing into the box below. This lesson, you'll notice that I've made a video with a read aloud where I actually read the entire article in one go. If it's helpful, you can listen to the whole thing once just to get a gist and then read it on your own pace. If you want, you can read it and pause it and then complete the stop and jots and then start it, and etc. Or you can not use it at all and actually just go straight through on your own. As long as you're able to get your annotations done and answer the stop and jot questions, that's totally fine with us. If you need any other help, remember you can comment on the classroom post, but otherwise, good luck, happy reading, and I hope that you find the article really, really helpful in developing your skill as poet analyzers. Analysts? Analysts. Bye, scholars.